In the trade of refrigeration and air conditioning, many machineries and equipments are in the market. Many of that machinery and equipment I want to discuss about, like refrigerator, window air conditioner, split air conditioner, water cooler, bottle cooler, deep freezer, ice cube machine, ice candy, ice plant, cold storage, even then walk-in cooler, softy machine, display case, package air conditioner unit, and all kind of other heating and cooling equipment. In these all machines and equipment, which one is related with the refrigeration and air conditioning trade? One and only one main heart of these all machines, the name of that part is, that component is, that machine is compressor. So before discuss about the safety precautions, I want to tell to you about the compressor. After then, I want to discuss some safety precautions to operate these all types of machines, what type of duties in the workshop. Compressor means which one is compress the refrigerant, which one is compress the gas. Another word you can say, it is that machine which sucks low temperature and low pressure from suction side, compress in the compressor and discharge to that one in the side of discharge line with pressure. In our refrigeration system, mainly five types of compressors are used. That one is reciprocating compressor. Number two is rotary compressor. Number three is centrifugal compressor. Number four is scroll type compressor. Number five is screw type compressor. Even then, in the automobile sector, in cars, we used bowels type compressor, but that one is the also categories of reciprocating compressor. So I already discussed about reciprocating compressor, first number. So mainly reciprocating compressors which are used in many types of field, maybe in domestic refrigerator, display cases, water cooler, bottle cooler, deep freezer, like that. Even then, domestic to commercial, only and only reciprocating is compressor is used. So reciprocating compressor have also again divided into three categories. That one is open type reciprocating compressor, sealed type reciprocating compressor. Another word you can say sealed type reciprocating compressor, also name hermetically reciprocating compressor. And third one is semi-sealed type reciprocating compressor. So mainly these all compressor, suppose you can say reciprocating compressor. Why we say that one is reciprocating compressor? The name is the exact identity of that compressor, in which piston moves in reciprocal directions that one is reciprocating compressor. And which one is move in rotary motion, that one is rotary compressor. And which one is move in the centrifugal directions, that one is centrifugal compressor. And in which pressure is created by the screw system, that one is screw compressor. Whereas mainly in the reciprocating compressor we used crankshaft, and rotary compressor we used eccentric shaft, and centrifugal compressor we used only straight shaft. That one is not a crank, that one is not a eccentric. So this is the main function. Some main and common tools are used. That one is screwdriver. In the side of screwdriver, many categories of screwdrivers are there. That one is poker type screwdriver, that one is flips type, you can say star type screwdriver, flat tip type screwdriver. In the side of combination plier, that one is wire cutter plier, parrot plier, long nose plier, insulation cutting plier. Above 70% tools are mainly used for tighten and loosen the any type of screw, bolts, nuts. Insulation cutter plier, after then D spanner set, ring spanner set, box spanner set, 12, 13, 14, 15. And what is the exact meaning of 12, 13 and 14, 15? One is the exact size of that spanner. 13 means 13 millimeter, 13 mm, 14 mm, 15 mm. In the categories of D spanner set, ring spanner set, box spanner set, and next one is slide wrench. It have three names. Slide wrench means slide wrench, adjustable wrench, screw wrench. Next one is pipe wrench, torque wrench. After then Allen key, that one is Allen's key set. You can say many keys, many different sizes of keys are there. Ratchet wrench, valve key, file. Many type of files are there. Fine file, after then round file, triangular file, half round file, bastard file. That all categories of file. So hammer, straight hammer, ball pen hammer, after then hexa, tubular hexa, adjustable hexa, chisel, center punch, hollow punch, soldering iron. Soldering iron also comes in the watt system, 65 watt, 100 watt, 150 watt, like that. Pulley puller, that one is also comes in different sizes, 6 inch, 9 inch, 12 inch. Even then that one is also in the categories of 2 legs, 3 legs, blow lamp, blow torch, poker, oil can, tweezer, refrigerant cylinder. Refrigerant cylinder also you can say that one is a half kg, 1 kg, 5 kg, 30 kg. Different capacity of refrigerant cylinder are provided in the market. And after then charging line, pursing plier, tube cutter, which one is cut to the copper tube, aluminum tube, in all different sizes. Which one is cut the tubes, that one is a tube cutter, that one is also comes in the different size. After then, flaring tool, which one is help to make the flare of copper tubes or soft tubes, that one is flaring tool. Flaring tool is divided into two portions. One is flaring block and second one is yoke assembly. Next one is pinch off tool. Then refacing tool, swaging tool, piston ring opener. Which one is to open the piston? That one is a piston ring opener. Scraper, knife, scissor, surface plate, drill machine, tap and die set, reamer, socket spanner set. So these mainly all tools are used in our refrigeration field. What is the exact difference between tools and instrument? Which one is mere anything? That one is a instrument. And which one is help to complete the any job? That one is tools. In instrument side, you can say number one, tester, multimeter. In tester, we identify the phase, and in multimeter, why we can say multimeter? That meter which one is used for multi-purpose, in which we also see the ampere, voltmeter, resistance value, and after then clamp on meter. Clamp on meter, that one is measure the current. Testing board. In testing board, we also provide their fuse, ampere meter, voltmeter, switch socket, series switch socket also is there. Ampere meter, which one is to identify the ampere, how much ampere get the machine. Voltmeter, which one tell us about the voltage. Tachometer, which one is to measure the speed. Halide torch, that one is detect the leakage of refrigerant. Halide torch, whatever, but the best method to detect the leakage is that one is soap solution. And after then, high pressure gauge. With the help of high pressure gauge, we measure the high pressure, how much pressure produced by the compressor, how much pressure in the line. Compound gauge, another word you can say also, that one is suction gauge. Suction means which one is tell us about the back pressure. Megger, with the help of Megger, we knows about the microfarad capacity of the capacitors. Filler gauge, which one is tell us about the gap between rotor and stator. Wire gauge, that gauge which one is tell us exact size of the wire. Suppose we can say 329, 729, 40, 46. So what is the exact meaning of 329, 729, 40, 46? 329 means 3 wires are there, and 29 the gauge of that wire, the size of that wire is 29 gauge, and 3 conductors are there. 729 means 7 conductor are there, and whereas the one size the size of one wire, that one is 29. 46 means 40 conductors are there, and whatever 46 the size of that wire. Thermometer, which one is measure the temperature. Psychrometer, with the help of psychrometer we also watch the humidity, we also watch the moisture in the air with the help of psychrometer. Outside micrometer, that one is also a measuring instrument. Inside micro, which one is measure the outside size, that one is outside micrometer, and which one is measure the inside micrometer. Suppose this one is glass, outside means that one is outside micrometer, and which one is measure the inside, that one is inside micrometer. Vernier caliper, which one is measure the 3 dimensions, outside, inside, and depth, that one is vernier caliper. Outside, inside, and third one is depth, that one is vernier caliper. Scale and measuring tape, after then inside caliper, that one is also but not accurate comparatively to outside micrometer and inside micrometer, that one is also inside caliper. Outside caliper. Weighing machine, which one is to weigh the refrigerant cylinder, how much refrigerant, how much gas in the cylinder, that one is weighing machine. Tri-square, which one tell us about the surface of the plates, exact surface of the plates, how much gap between that plate, that one is tri-square. Measuring tape, and that all instruments are used in our refrigeration and air conditioning sector. So after then, equipment, vacuum pump, refrigerant recovery machine, gauge manifold with gauges, electronic leak detector, gas charging station, relays, pressure controls, safety control, that all are comes in the equipment, or many other equipments are also used in our the system.